Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Raila Firdausi, Assistant Teacher Day Shift. Today we are going to have a class with a student of class 7. Our today's subject is Agriculture Studies. This is our annual term and today our topic is chapter 4 CQ2 CW. Our today's lecture number 7 and SW number is 5. My dear students, after completing reading and learning the question answer, you will do SW chapter 4 CQ2 number D. Okay, let's see the question. You can take your textbook to see the question. Here I have written also the question for you. Now see, there is given a graph and in the down it is written that the graph of agricultural season on the basis of 12 months. Here you can see that the graph is a circle and in the circle it is divided into two parts and later the upper part is again divided into two parts. The right part, the right half part is number A and the left side is called here B, and here is showing the arrows. The arrows are going like this and these arrows come here in the down half circle, and here you see that it is written that middle of March and this goes to middle of September, and there is another half around given and this given half around is showing C. Now we will see the question, later we will discuss what we understand from the graph. See, number A, it is told that in how many regions has Bangladesh been demarcated on the basis of the weather and climate. Number B, explain under what circumstances infection of diseases spreads during winter. Number C, identify in which agricultural season in the graph irrigation is not much required. Explain the reason. Then number D, evaluate the impact of temperature on the crops of agricultural seasons marked as C in the figure. Now let's discuss the answer. Number A, in how many regions has Bangladesh been demarcated on the basis of the weather and climate? The answer is Bangladesh has been demarcated in 30 AEZ based on weather and climate. Okay, so Bangladesh has been demarcated in 30 AEZ based on weather and climate. Then number B, explain under what circumstances infection of diseases spreads during winter. The answer is in winter season sometimes dew and fog increase humidity, which in turn creates a favorable environment for spreading diseases. In this way, crop is very easily affected by diseases. Okay, then see number C, identify in which agricultural season in the graph irrigation is not much required. Explain the reason. So here we can see that there are three regions are demarcated A, B and C. Now we have to find out which one doesn't need too much irrigation. The answer is extensive irrigation is not needed in the A part of the graph. That means this part doesn't need extensive irrigation. Why? A graph part in the graph is indicating Kharif 2 season. Duration of this season in English months from mid-January to mid-September and Bengali months from Ashar to Bhadra. This is mainly rainy season. In this season, a lot of rainfall occur and humidity is high too. That is why no additional irrigation is needed in this season. Okay. Then number D, evaluate the impact of temperature on the crops of agricultural seasons marked as C in the figure. That means we have to now discuss the impact of temperature on the crops of agricultural season in these C marked areas. Okay. Now see, C indicated season in Rabi. C indicated the season. C indicated the Rabi season here. Okay, so it will be C indicated the season in Rabi season. That means the season is in Rabi season. Duration of this season is from mid-March to mid-September. This temperature is low in this season. For survival, plants need cardinal temperature. crops of cool season require minimum temperature of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, optimum temperature of 25 to 31 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperature of 31 to 37 degrees Celsius for their germination and growth. Rabi crops of Bangladesh are wheat, potato, chickpea, lentil, cauliflower, etc. The temperature in which these crops prefer to grow has exactly the same temperature during the Rabi season. This temperature is very useful for the production of these crops. Okay, my dear students, this is all about today. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.